4 hours. That's how long Superior authorities had to wait yesterday to find out if a suspicious object posed any real danger to the public. Now Superior's emergency response is being reevaluated after what turned out to be an inactive object forced a major street to close. A portion of Tower Avenue, which runs by the new Superior Fire Hall, was shut down around 9 a.m. Someone found what looked like a homemade explosive. The fire hall and a nearby business were evacuated as a precaution. And for 4 hours, authorities had to wait for the state's bomb squad to arrive from central Wisconsin to examine the item. Here is Ryan Junty with what Superior's mayor wants to see changed.
Not your typical Tuesday morning to start.
Grizzlies assistant general manager Tyler Plunkett was one of many surprised by how things unfolded on Tower Avenue Tuesday morning. That's because this suspicious item was found on a sidewalk near the new fire hall by a passerby on a bike. This prompted an emergency response that included the FBI and the Marathon County Bomb Squad. But Marathon County is about a 3.5-hour drive from Superior, and this isn't the first time they've been needed there. In fact, there have been 3 others, the most recent back in December of 2016, when a suspicious backpack was found in the east end of town. They were also called to respond for 2 instances in 2015, one with the suspicious package at UW Superior and the other with the suspicious item at the Holiday Inn.
We rely very heavily on the Marathon County Bomb Squad, and they respond to almost all of our incidents.
Superior Police Officer Bradley Jago says in a dire situation, they could reach out to a closer bomb squad.
Should there be an absolute emergency, we can attempt to reach out to maybe a closer bomb squad. But really, we utilize the Wisconsin resources first.
And in this case, he says they were able to determine early on that they could afford to wait for Marathon County.
Initial inspection of the device through the robot would indicate that it's certainly suspicious, but small enough to the point where we could control our scene here.
But now Superior Police Chief Nicholas Alexander says there are ongoing talks with Duluth and Superior Police Departments about creating a regional response team.
There is a cost to waiting for another team to respond in terms of the cost of the businesses, the inconvenience of the community, staff hours to secure and maintain the scene until they can arrive. So obviously having it would be, a benefit.
And it's something Superior Mayor Jim Payne also says he would welcome.
This was a major disruption, and the sooner we can eliminate that disruption, the better. And so we really need to be working on a regional bomb squad that can respond faster.
In the past, the Air National Guard in Duluth has responded to bomb threats in Superior, but that's not the case anymore. In Superior, Ryan Junty for WDIO News.
The object has been collected as evidence. Police say it contained a grainy residue that has not yet been tested. It will now be sent to a crime lab.